Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math algebra problem, and here we have a minus 5 whole cubed equals to minus 125. So here we find the value of a. So the very first step we are going to do is, here first we move this minus 125 in the left hand side, and we easily get the value, or we easily get the output in this way. So we have a minus 5 whole cubed. This will becomes plus 125, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now we rewrite this equation as, we have a minus 5 whole cubed, plus we write this 125 as 5 cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now in the next step we use here the nice cubic formula, and you know about this formula. If we have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So we use this nice cubic formula in the above term, and our above term will becomes, after using this formula, it will be written as, because here our a is this a minus 5 and the value of b is 5, so we put these two values in this formula and we get a minus 5 plus 5 into, we have a square, so our a is a minus 5 square minus ab, and our a is a minus 5 into b is 5 plus b square, and b is 5 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here you see that this is the positive and negative term cancelled by each other, and we get here a times, and we open the square of this term and we simplify all the other terms, and we get here a square plus 5 square minus 2 times of a into 5, and we multiply this 5 on these two terms and we get 5 times of a minus 25, and here we have 5 square equals to 25, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to take little bit simplification here, and we write it as a times of a square plus, here we have 5 square becomes 25, and this 2 times of 5 is minus 10a, and we multiply this minus on both of these terms and we get minus 5a plus 25 plus 25, and this whole equals to 0. So now we add or subtract the like terms and we get a square, and here you have minus 10a minus 5a equals to minus 15a, and 25 plus 25 plus 25 equals to 75, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now we convert this equation into the two cases. So our first case is, we write a equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square minus 15a plus 75 equals to 0. So here we easily get the first solution of the given equation is a equals to 0. So now in order to find the other solutions we need to solve this quadratic equation. So in order to solve this quadratic equation, here we need the coefficients of this term, and we use the quadratic formula. So the coefficients are capital A equals to 1, B equals to minus 15, and C equals to 75. So our quadratic formula will be looks like in this form: minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So now we put the values of a, b and c in this formula, and we get its output in this form. This is minus times of minus 15 plus minus square root of b square. So our b is minus 15 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 75 divided by 2 times of a, and our a is equals to 1. So in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we get minus times of minus becomes plus 15 plus minus the square of 15 minus 15 equals to 225 plus we multiply 4 times of 75 and it is equals to 300. So this is minus and this will becomes minus 300 and its whole square root divided by 2. So now we simplify these terms and we get 15 plus minus square root of 225 minus 300 equals to minus 75 divided by 2. So here we get a equals to 15 plus minus we know that this negative sign occurs inside the square root, so it will becomes iota, and we write this 75 as 25. So I can just simplify this term here. Here you have minus 25 square root, and we first write 75 as 25 times of 5 square root into minus 1 square root, and we know that square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 5 is 5 and minus 1 square root equals to iota. So we just replace this minus 75 square root equals to 5 times square root of 5 into iota. So we replace this value by this term and we get 15 plus minus 5 times of square root of 5 iota divided by 2. Sorry, this is 25 threes are 25, threes are 75. So you get here 5 times of square root 3. So this is our 5 times of square root of 3. So these are the two complex values of the given equation, and the first is the real value. So this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.